So this is after 100 times I wash the ghee. Little water is there, very little water. You can see here, little water is there. So this water slowly I will discard it. So it gives nice creamy texture. So I will discard it till there is no one single water drop. And this 100 time washed ghee, for this I have used A2 Gir cow ghee, pure A2 Gir cow ghee, where the ghee is made out of curd. First we set the curd and then we take butter out of the curd and then it is converted into ghee. Some more water is collected. So the ghee texture, this 100 time washed ghee texture will be soft, smooth, like creamy white color only when your copper is good. If your copper is not good, then this 100 time washed ghee will turn into green color, slightly green. Otherwise, if the copper is good purity, then it will give nice pure white color and very good silky soft texture. Again, some more water is there. This is ancient time nanotechnology. And this ghee, once if you apply, until you take bath, it will be more moisture and hydrate. This is more cooling property because we wash for 100 times. So it has lot of cooling property. It can be applied for acne people, anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, for skin glow, fine lines, under eye dark circle, for dry skin, sensitive skin, even very terrible oily skin people also can apply. Since the particle size is very, very small, it penetrates very deep layer and it won't make your skin any oily effect. And this is completely preservative free, waxes free. So time to time we have to remove the water. We need lot of patience to make this, and 100 time washed ghee is not made by machinery. It should be made by hand only. If you make with hand only, you will get the beautiful texture. Otherwise, you won't get. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to separate water from ghee. So even though when you mix water for 100 times in the ghee, still the water and the ghee should separate like this. Like how I am separating. This ghee can be applied for any age group from newborn baby to old age people. This is ancient nanotechnology. We chant mantras while making this ghee so that positive vibrations will be there. It's just physics that I will show the texture of the ghee. So little water is there, that also I will remove. So this texture is after washing the ghee for 100 times. So whatever products we manufacture in our unit, like right from scratch to finished product, everything is manufactured in our unit only. It's located in Hyderabad, Mallapur, Nacharam. If you have any queries, you can email me at info@tiaojas.com. You can see in description box below, or tiasoaps@gmail.com. We make herbal extracts, steam distillation, herbal extracts, concentrated ones. We also make nanotechnology products in our unit only. We don't source anything from outside except for few things. Most of the products are made in our unit only. All our products are made in nanotechnology for better penetration, for better results, because our skin pores are very thin and very small. So whatever products you are applying on your skin, it should able to travel through skin pore so that it gives good benefits. So here the 100 time washed ghee is made out of A2 Gir cow ghee, which is made out of curd. The ghee is made out of curd, and the ghee is also made manually by churning the curd and extracting the butter and then converted into ghee. So everything is made manually. Most of our products are made manually Even the herbal oils also we make in traditional Siddha Ayurveda method. I will take it very close. You can see the beautiful texture. So for any of our products, please do WhatsApp me on 9542786627. Any queries, you can email me at info@tiaodas.com or tiasoaps@gmail.com. Please do visit our social media website, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter by name Tia Soaps for more and more updates. You can see that still little more water. So I need to discard this. Thank you.